The city's pulse is running cold, a story often told. I start my engine with a drink, a potion made of gold. I take the fire from the ginger, the sweetness from the day. The coffee with the cinnamon, it seals and changes fate. Banana, date, and ginger spice alive. Coffee, dark, and cinnamon's advice alive. In this glass, a brand new start, a rhythm for the soul. It gives me wings, it makes me fly, it's taking my control. Whoa. This is the fuel for minds that strive, no room for slow reverse. It gives you energy for free, it makes you thinking sharp. You wanna fly and touch the sky, you start your journey here. You wake up from a sleepy life and find you've lost all fear. Banana, date, and ginger spice alive. Coffee, dark, and cinnamon's advice alive. And this glass, a brand new start, a rhythm for the soul. It gives me wings, it makes me fly, it's taking my control. Don't let the chill just settle in, you gotta taste the heat. With this golden blend of power, you'll stand up on your feet. So take the leap and break the mold, go far beyond the view. This potent mix is only meant for powerful souls like you. The golden brew, for the strong and the few. Every morning, a sip to see it through.